Hello, good morning. This is Rose Diamond with another video for this morning. It is now almost 8 o'clock, but I am getting an early start. I'm going to probably upload exactly at 8, but this is the first job of the day because that's just the set schedule that I have. It is a customer service representative job. It is $15 per hour, and if you guys like this job, it's a contract job, and apply on Indeed. It's called Pacer Staffing. The qualification is in high school or equivalent is preferred. Full job description. Qualifications: call center experience preferred. Excellent communication skills. Basic knowledge of computer applications. This is a work from home position. Must have internet service. Cannot connect via Wi-Fi. Must have modem connection. Home computer monitor and headset that will allow an agent to answer calls. Allow required software to be uploaded to their computer. CT softphone, which allows incoming calls. Must have a positive, enthusiastic behavior with a desire to provide a great call experience with all the calls they handle. Must be available for either of these shifts, Tuesday through Thursday or Sunday through Thursday. Hours: 12:30 p.m. through 9 p.m. This is a remote position. Candidates must be located in the following states: Florida, Georgia, Idaho, Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Nebraska, Texas, Utah, Tennessee, and Missouri. Responsibilities: call coordinator. Will answer phones from potential and existing customers. Ask specific questions to determine their need and then transfer it to the appropriate department. And once again, this is a $15 per hour job, and the shift is Monday to Friday. And this is it. If you guys want to apply to this job, they're hiring 4 candidates for this role. It's urgently hiring and just posted today. You guys can jump on it. For this job, just apply at Pacer Staffing Customer Service Representative position. Just type that in the search. Now, this next job is ERC. It's a work at home customer service agent full-time job. It starts $10.50 up to $14 per hour full-time. And this remote is based out in Georgia. The benefits of this job is paid time off, paid training, and work from home. And the full description is why work here. ERC careers are started by determination, not degrees. You create your own opportunities for success. Thrive in a fast-paced, competitive virtual content center. We create the culture. You create your next level of greatness. Who we're looking for: go-getters that are tech-savvy, confident, and self-driven. People that have a passion for providing above and beyond customer service experiences. Possess a high school diploma or GED. Ability to work a flexible schedule, which may include some weekends and holidays to meet business needs. Successful completion of a computer assessment is required. Must have the following equipment: desktop computer or laptop with Windows 10 or newer installed, computer camera, headset with USB connect, Ethernet card, cable, and internet router with a free network connection. Must have the following internet: reliable, hardwire, bi-directional internet connection, DSL or cable, broadband internet, not dial-up, with at least 10 megabytes per second downstream, and at least 8 megabits per upstream loading. You can test your internet speed by visiting www.speedtest.net. Must reside in Florida, Georgia, Idaho, not Idaho, it's Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Michigan, Mississippi, Nebraska, New Mexico, North Carolina, North Dakota, Oklahoma, Pennsylvania, South Carolina, Tennessee, Texas, Wisconsin, or Wyoming to be eligible for this position. Why this position? Allows you more flexibility in your day-to-day life to attend school, to pursue your passion, in order to have work-life balance. Professionally handle email, chat, and inbound calls from existing customers about their account. Navigate through multiple computer systems to track, update, and verify accounts. Are you up for the challenge? If so, here's what is in it for you. Perks of joining the ERC family. Contests for prizes monthly. Paid training. Get paid to learn. Full-time position. Full-time permanent non-seasonal employment. $10.50 per hour to $14 per hour. Benefits eligible after 60 days. Paid time off and paid holidays. Everyone needs some vacation time here and there. ERC is an equal opportunity employer. Virtual, remote, work from home. These are the tags. And yes, you guys, if you guys want to apply, this job has been up for 30 days, but they need employees. So still need employees. So if you guys want to apply, you can apply to ERC, work from home, customer service agent. It's full time. The third and final job on this video will be American Customer Care. That's the company's name, and the job role will be inbound sales representative. It's $11 to $12 per hour, full time or either part time. The qualifications is you have to have a customer service of 1 year, experience in customer service 1 whole year, and computer literacy for 2 years as required. And the benefits of this job you will be a 401k, 401k, dental insurance, employee assistance program, employee discount, flexible schedule, health insurance, life insurance, paid time off, paid training, tuition reimbursement, vision insurance, and work from home. Full job description. Who we are. For more than 25 years, American Customer Service has been providing customer service on behalf of the companies of all sizes worldwide. We specialize in providing individualized contact with our clients' customers. This position is entirely remote. We will provide you with all the equipment you need to work remotely. We do require that you have a strong and stable internet connection, a quiet distraction-free space to work, and that you have Zoom-capable computer equipment to complete your first week of training. Apply today to learn more. General characteristics. In this position, you will take inbound calls from customers. The nature of this work is providing customers excellent service while upselling their current orders for vitamins or supplements. We are hiring for full and part-time positions. This position requires up to 2 weeks of full-time paid training before you can start a part-time schedule. Job description. Handle customer inquiries in a prompt and professional manner. Upselling with commission. Represent our client in a professional and positive manner in all situations. Ability to remain positive in a fast-paced environment. Enjoy taking on new challenges. Qualifications will be you have to have high school diploma or the equivalent GED, experience working on a computer, good verbal and written communication skills, great customer service is a must. Enjoys working on a team. Previous sales or upselling is preferred. Previous contact center experience is a plus. Why you should work at American Customer Care. Daily pay. Work today, get paid tomorrow. flexible set schedules, paid training, incentives. We are infamous for our gift raffles and employee celebrations, health, dental, vision, and life insurance, employee assistance program, free sessions with our partner company. And these are the benefits. Once again, they have tuition reimbursement, vision, insurance, work from home course, and paid time off. They have employee discounts and flexible scheduling, health insurance, life insurance. It's great. 8-hour shift, evening shift, weekend availability, supplemental pay, commission pay, application questions. Do you have a high-speed, stable internet connection? Do you have a quiet place to work from? Do you have a laptop, desktop to use for Zoom training? Were you referred by a current employee? If so, who? Are you able to work on one weekend day per week? Excuse me. And it's urgently hiring, and it's been here for 27 days, but they're still hiring for this job because they're looking for more employees. So if it's okay, you guys can go ahead and just look it on up. And it's called the company name is American Customer Care, and it's an inbound sales position, representative position. All you have to do is come here, click and find it, and then apply. And that's it for this video, you guys. Good luck and happy job hunting. You diamonds, the diamond crew, you guys are the best. And I'll see you guys on the next video.